Hello and welcome to the next lecture and video from the course Email Marketing Passive Income. In this lecture we are going to talk about how to write emails that sell. Now this is very important for you because you are building an email marketing sales funnel. That means that after you warm up your market, the final purpose for you is to sell the products you promote as an affiliate or your own products so that you can make income and profits. When you are selling, always underline the benefits that your product or services bring to the client and not the features. This way the client understands how the product helps him. When you buy something, you have to put yourself in the client's shoes. You are interested how that product will help you to solve a need that you have. That's exactly what you need to do when you are promoting and selling the products that you want through email. Use social proof as much as possible, stories and testimonials when selling through email. Everybody knows that this is a cliche already, but it's true. Stories really sell very, very well. Through a story, your product or service is indirectly sold. You can put a story about a customer who tried out the product and had some incredible benefits with it and solved his problems. You can have a story about how the product was created. Or anything like that. Okay, many companies, many big brands have a story how they started, how they created their first product based on a need that their founder had or a problem that their founder saw in the market and solved. Okay, use call to actions very, very fast. You want your subscribers to be able to take action as fast as possible. Also, insert multiple links to your offers in your email so that the chances for your subscribers to get to your offer are higher. Use only a single type of call to action per email, so don't confuse people with different call to actions to different products or offers. Promote a single type of offer, promote a single type of product. Use promotions and limited offers with clear deadlines. Okay, this will translate into scarcity, and scarcity is a powerful trigger for taking action. For example, if you say that your campaign with special discount will last for 1 week, then it has to last for 1 week, and that has to be very clearly specified in your emails, especially in the closing ones. For example, you can have free closing emails in the last day where you can say, okay, there are 12 hours till the offer ends, there are 6 hours till the offer ends, and the last one can be we are closing to the finish line. There's 1 more hour left for you to grab the special offer and then it's gone for good, or something like that. Use postscriptum, PS. It seems almost unbelievable what a huge impact the postscriptum has. It's the last thing that gets your attention, and it can be a very strong call to action. It is usually used to enforce the call to action even more. There are some emails that I read, just open, and the only thing that I see is the postscriptum, and it catches my eye, and I click on the link and it gets my attention and it drives me to the sales page. Okay, that happened to me. That probably happened to you a lot of times. It happens to most of the people, so the PS has a very, very strong impact. Now, thank you very much for your attention. Now you know how to create better emails that sell, and we are looking forward to see you in the next